All right, find the missing length. I've got a 15 yards, I've got 12 yards, I've got 7 yards, 9 yards, 5 yards, and Dawson is already throwing out the answer. Let's see what our ideas are. But first, we need to assume that all of these angles over here are all right angles. And folks are saying 4, 5, and 6. Why don't we take a vote? What do you folks think? Is it 4, 5, or 6? All right. Keely's got 6 up twice. Okay. Ivalani's throwing it up 5, but we got others chiming in at 6. All right. I got a question, folks. Why do you think 6? So Keely's throwing up the idea that if this length is 15 and 9 of it is already used up over here, then what needs to be left over in order to make the rest of that 15? Well, 6 plus 9 is 15. I totally agree. And so I'm not going to be harping up on this problem. I agree with you folks. If you understand it, let's move on. Exactly, because 6 is longer. Wait, since we have 7 and 5, it should look like. Oh, I see. So Sky is throwing out there that it can't be 7 or it can't be 5 because 7 plus 9 is 16 and 5 plus 9 is 14. So that won't give you the 15 yards that you need. And a good hint that you can do is you can say, well, if this is 12, I know that 5 plus 7 has to be 12. So I know that horizontally it will work. What about vertically? Well, it should work vertically as well. Yeah, but you have to be very careful about just saying, oh, it looks like this, oh, it looks like that, because they could draw the picture off. In fact, never trust the picture. The only reason why I assume that these are 90-degree angles in here, not because they look like 90-degree angles, but because they told me, assume that all intersecting angles meet at right angles. All right, sounds good to me.